So now let's create another function now, and this function will be the function that actually allows us to submit a book. So I'll call it handle submit book. So good. So this function will take in two things, taking a name and, or let's just say a title now, clearly, and an ISBN. Good. So let's do this now. Good. So right now in this function now, we'll need to actually say let okay, we can actually check right here if title dot stream, remove the namespace, is not equal this and ISBN dot stream not equal an empty character. Good. So now we'll now set what we want to actually happen in this function here. So this this submit book is also going to be an async function, actually. Async function. Good. So what will actually happen here is if this is an empty, then we'll just send the book to our smart contract and stuff. So let's say now I would actually just do this await contract instance, which we already declared up there, instance dot methods, sorry, methods dot, now we'll give it register book, and register book, control C dot register book to register book, control V. So register book takes in three things: a name. So okay, now what I'll do here is, rather than receive them as parameters, let's just get them from the input fields themselves. So I'll say let title is equal to document dot get element by ID inputs dash name dot value, sorry, name dot value, sorry, not value now, someone just the value that we need, value. Good. Rest of always helping me, don't help me out. Value. Okay, good. So now I'll say let ISBN is equal to document. So let me just copy this now, control C, control V. So now I'll say input dash ISBN, yeah, ISBN. Good. So right here again too, I will say let date now is equal to control V. So now I'll say dates, DAT. So let's just make sure that that's matching the IDs we declared in our HTML file now. Okay, so input dash title dash ISBN dash date. Okay, so I think one of them is actually on to be dash title. Good. So if title dot trim and ISBN dot trim and date dot stream not equal to an empty character. Good. So await contract and method dot register books, and this stuff now will take in number one the title, number two the ISBN, number three the date, DAT. So let me scroll up now and make sure. Okay, title, ISBN, date. Yeah, good, and they are all strings. So I think we are good to go. So now I'll just do this here now. So that's all about actually submitting a book now to the blockchain. And yeah, so one other thing I want to do is I want to actually display our loader whenever this function runs. So right here I'll just come here, I'll copy, let me copy the one we wrote earlier here, control C, then I'll scroll down here, and right here I'll say control V, but I'll make it equal to block CK. Then I'll come down here after it has loaded, and after it has sent it, I'll make it equal to none. But the thing is, after this stuff has actually happened soon, we want to automatically populate the browser with the latest information. So one thing we can do is that we can call our get users books function again and let it refresh everything. At the same time, so since we automatically know what happened, we can automatically populate the browser by ourselves. So personally, I will actually go through the option of populating the browser myself, because I believe that's much more faster. So you can easily see changes he has made almost immediately. since it's not like several people are supposed to see it at once. Only one person is actually supposed to see it. So I will come here now, and I will say I created a function. I call it add book to DOM. Add book to DOM. And to take in the title, ISBN. Good. So that's it. So that's about the function that will actually do all those. So lastly, the last thing we need to do now is I'll say document dot get element by ID, and I'll say submit dash book dot add event listener, click, then when this actually happens, just call the handle submit function. Good. So we are good to go now. Okay, so when I come and do rotation, let me make sure there is, where's that button here now? Let me give an ID of ID is equal to submit dash book. Yeah, good. So index.js. So I think that's like all we have to do. So I will begin to test our code now to see if any one of all what we have done so far even works. For that, just open your terminal. Okay, good. Write the new console. So just do a git init 90 and to git repository. Okay, do a git add dots to add all the files to git commit dash m. Let's name it initial commit. Good. So don't commit all the files. Okay. Create mode css/js/index.js. Good. Now let's come to our browser now. Here in your browser, let's come to your GitHub. Go to github.com. If you've not created an account, create an account. So right here, I'll click on the plus symbol here, and I'll click new repository, and I'll say online session library. Good. So I'll create repository republic. So right here, okay, I've done git in. So I'll just copy this git remote add origin, Control C, then just come to your terminal here. Okay, good. So I'll just click on that. Then next thing I'll do is I'll say git push dash u origin master. Good. So this might take a while. It's going to actually ask me for my password so that it can actually push it to my own personal GitHub for my GitHub password. I'm going to my GitHub repo. Okay, good. So right here I'll just type Angela for gmail.com. Let me use my GitHub username now. JESULONIMI21, and right here I'll type my password. Okay, good. So it has actually put it to GitHub now. Yeah, good. So we have it created on GitHub now. So if I am to come back here now and I'm to refresh this page, I would actually sit here. So good. So now I'll just come to my settings now. I'll come to settings now. I'll scroll down, and the instance of page is currently saved source below. This page of GitHub page is just do this and click on master branch. So if you've done this now, it will create a GitHub page for you. Let's scroll down. So this is where my site now is hosted at now. So I can just copy this now. And let me see. Now it might take a while for it to actually be refreshed and actually show. It might show you it's empty. But okay, now yeah, it actually works well. So you can. Okay, so good. So we've successfully hosted our site on GitHub now, and now we'll proceed by actually testing it on basic browser. So I'll come here now. I'll open a new tab and I'll go to base.eclipse.com. I'll click on enter. Good. Then I will also come here. I'll put this browser on developer tools and I will say developer tools. Good. So now when you are here, one of the first things you want to do is to come here, click here, and click on settings, then scroll down to where you see network. And where you see network, make sure you check this checkbox and that says table cache while devtools is open. Good. So I will cancel this. So now I'll refresh this page now. Good. Then I'll click on create a new account. Then you can try to back up your seed phrase, but I'll click on I'll do it later for my own case. But make sure you take security course and back up your seed phrase. Then I'll do it later. Good. Then I'll come here, I'll click on settings here. Then up here, I'll go to the test nets. Good. Then since I'm on the test net, I will come back to the transfer. Then I'll copy my public address, which is the address of my wallet itself. I'll come to testnet.faucet.apes.com. I'll click on enter. And I'll paste my wallet address here. I'll click on top up. Okay, good. So now when I come back to basic now, I have 5 aeons here because I added 5 aeons to my address. As you can see, I added 5 aeons. So it's just a testing address. So I'll come here, I'll come to browse. Then now when I get here, I'll do a slash. Then I'll need to come back to my GitHub page itself, or my GitHub settings page, and copy my URL of my site itself. So I'll come back here now and I'll click on slash and I'll actually paste it here. Good. So I'll just click on enter. So this might take a while depending on how good your network connection is. Okay, good. So it's loading my site now. Good. As you can see, it is loading. I'm going to ask the site to grant access to my wallet. I'll say allow. And okay, good. So it has loaded successfully now. So now I can add a new book now to the blockchain. And let me call the title God is watching us. I just love that. I love that clause a lot. And let's say the ISBN is something random, and the date is February 9 or February 8, 2019. Good. So I'll click on submit. Okay, I'm taking my February. I'll click on submit. Good. So as you can see, it is currently loading. And to ask for access to my wallet again, I'll click on confirm. Good. So okay, so good. So now this book has been added to the blockchain. Now let's add another book to the blockchain because I want to show you a fault in what we've done so far. And let's call this one good God or something. Good God. Let's change the ISBN by one letter, probably for, let's say it was the same date. So let's submit. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Good. Okay, so now can you see that we can't actually scroll? So it has added the book to the blockchain, but we can't actually scroll. So to fix it, I'll come back to my VS Code now. I'll click create a div under my body. Div. Now this div's class will be called class is equal to, let's call it all dash body. And now I'll come back here. I'll pause this stuff, and this div will contain the whole body of our application actually. Now on a normal screen, like probably if someone is using his phone and he goes to basic browser, your site will actually scroll. But just so we can actually scroll while testing too, we have added this. So now I'll copy this class now, which is all dash body. I'll come to my style.css, and right here below my dot body I'll say dot all dash body, and I'll give it an overflow dash y of type auto. I'll also come down here, so I'll give it a width of 370 pixels. Then I'll give it an height of 100 VH. Good, so I'm good to go. I have to come back here now to my terminal, and I will say git add dots. Good. I'll say git commit dash m added scroll. Good. Then I'll say git push dash u origin master. Good. This might take a while, but it's actually going to put my changes to GitHub. Okay, good. So let's push my changes to GitHub. So now we'll just come back to our browser now. And this might take a while, but we need to actually refresh this page. And it might take a while before we see our changes reflected. Okay, good. So let's see. Our changes have not been reflected. So for you to know, you can just come here. You can come to sources. Then, okay. So you can scroll down. You can see this limited toggle it down again, toggle this online session library, then toggle the CSS down here. Then you see style.css. It's open here. So as you can see now, you cannot find a dot all dashboard yet. So that means our changes have not yet been reflected on basic. So refresh again. Good now. So can you see the total dashboard now? So that means our changes have actually been reflected. So let's wait for our page to load now. Can you see that when our page loaded now, we have our scroll. So yeah, so this works. So this brings us to the end of this particular book library. Let me add another book now. Let me call it what can I call it now? Say man called God or something. Then let's get an ISBN, just random ISBN for testing. Then let's see the date was July 4, 2019. Good. So I'll click on submit. So it's going to load. Okay, yeah, click on confirm. And okay. So it's loading. Let it take its time. Good, it has already added to the plugin. So if we scroll down here, can we see it here? Man called God, and this was random ISBN number I gave to it. So now we are good to go actually. This is our book library. So this is where this project actually comes to an end. I might try to add more features later in the future. And thank you for joining us. We would appreciate if you give us a like, a thumbs up, tell someone about this tutorial, and yeah, we would also like to actually accept your feedback too. So thank you.